a browser that chats with you. OpenAI recently launched Atlas. Atlas is a browser that is integrated with Chat GPT, and this actually chats with you. Now, this OpenAI is actually interesting because if I remember clearly, I think it's the same company that also helped to launch Copilot. Copilot is also integrated in Microsoft Edge. So I don't know the reason why they launched their own browser. Probably they no longer associate themselves with Copilot, so they decide to launch their own browser. But now this is only available on Mac OS right now on the testing phase, and probably later on they are going to expand and have access to other devices like mobile and Windows and so. Because I think the reason why they did not run on mobile and on Android and Windows, I think probably because they are more open source and people can actually exploit and make use of their API. Maybe they are trying to keep it private, I don't know. But then let's look at what this particular application can do for you. There are so many things that it can do. But then starting with Atlas is actually a new browser that is integrated with ChatGPT at its core. AI gives you a rare moment to rethink what it means to use the web. And last year we added search in ChatGPT, so we could instantly find timely information across the internet, and it quickly become one of the most used features. But the browser is where all your work, tools, your contest comes together. So a browser built in with ChatGPT takes it closer to a true super assistant that understands your world and helps you to achieve your goals. I don't think you guys actually understand what this actually means. So let me go ahead and explain it a little bit, because the reason why it is not yet available in every device is because what this actually does is it takes all your data and information while you are browsing. It is active. It is looking at what you are doing, the activities you are doing, and giving you suggestions. It means that it's taking all of your data, all of the data you are putting out, and then giving you results based on the things you previously searched, the activities you previously, the website you previously visited, and everything. It takes all of this data and then feeds you results that you searched based on those data of your past, of your history. So you know how people be like, their search history is important, you clear, you do this, and this takes all your data and then feeds it so that it's going to give you more accurate result. But then they have so many things saying that you can always turn this on and off whenever you want to, and delete your history whenever you want to. But it's already taking your data, which is training the AI by making use of the information you are feeding on that browser. I am not sure, this is not valid. This is just based on my experience by making use of the internet. So maybe other tech genius can actually check this and validate by themselves. But I think this takes your information and then trains the AI with that information and then feeds you results based on the information that it got. So there are so many things that I could actually go through, but since I am going through the browser and I'm feeding you guys what I am learning, so now the way it actually works, you open a new tab, starting point from the Atlas browser, and then instead of you, like, you know how you type in on the URL the website you are using, you ask it a question or you enter in the URL. Now in Google case or in Chrome case, when I say Chrome, I mean Chrome browser. So you open a Google Chrome, you type in the word without putting .com, it automatically opens Google search and then gives you Google search result from the web, and then goes on to ask you if you want to make use of AI. I think recently that's actually how Google works. It asks you if you're going to make use of AI, and then if you use the AI, it's going to be giving you result and everything. And from there, you can actually get answers to what you are looking for, even without going to the original website. What this does is you put in the website you are looking for, and then by the side, ChatGPT is there, right there, taking down this information of the one you actually clicked on whenever you search. So now it is actually building all these things around your personality. That is actually what it says here. It says it's built around you, your personal suggestion, and also you can ask for anything and it's going to give you based on your personal suggestion, which is your previous search history. So now you can also see what it says here. ChatGPT can remember what you have explored and suggested what to do next. It's going to suggest what to do next. Whether does your running to the past page deeper, digging deeper into a topic, or surfacing related ideas or automated routining. There are so many things. I think most of them are self-explanatory, but this is actually what I'm going to tell you. So you know how you can search or visit a website and you forget the website name when you are searching for it. So you can just go to this particular web browser and then you type, hey, I forgot what I searched for yesterday when I was looking at Liverpool Football Club. What result or what web page did I open? It is going to give you the web page that you open. This is the important. I think this particular feature makes it important. But it saves all your data. So if you do not have any secret or anything to keep, this is an ideal browser. So then it says it has more mobility and control. You are in control of what ChatGPT sees and remembers as you browse. You can clear the specific page, clear the entire browsing history, or you can open in incognito mode. Now, what it means that you are in control is that you are not actually in control. Because if you know very well, if it comes to a deep research or deep search, you could actually dig deep and see what is in incognito mode. But then it says that your incognito mode are not being saved, right? Now your incognito mode is just going to be very secure. Whenever you browse, everything you are browsing are not being saved. That is actually how it's supposed to work. But it doesn't actually work that way right now. What it does is it saves your information and then it deletes them. But then what's the one that is not incognito mode, which is the normal mode, does is it saves your information for a longer period of time. So you guys should actually understand that. So even in incognito mode, it still knows what you are looking for. You can doubt this by checking the normal browser's incognito mode. They are all the same. Now to read further, if you turn on the memory, the browser memories, ChatGPT will remember your key detail from the content that you browse to improve the chat response and offer smarter suggestions, like creating a to-do list from your recent activities to continue research, holiday, gift based on the product that you have actually viewed. This actually proves me right. So there are so many things that you can actually go through. This application is very important and I kind of like it, but at the same time, it takes away the privacy and it gives everything to the AI. The AI training is supposed to be specific to, it's supposed to be limited to very few information. And you're just telling the AI everything about you, and the AI can easily grab any information whenever it wants and send it to the developer. Like, hey, this is what people are searching for. This is what Trust actually searched for today. Trust lives in Nigeria and blah blah blah, and then this is what Majid is searching for. Majid lives in Abuja and blah. It gives you the information of everything that people are searching for, and it makes AI even more scary. We are already scared of AI, and this is actually even more scary and interesting also, because this is going to make a lot of your work easier. In a situation where you have so many bulky items, you might not remember everything, and then you want to remember them. AI will help you. But I think back in the days, you can always go to your bookmark if you bookmark them, or you just go to your search history to see them. But then tell me guys, what do you think about this new browser? If it's actually cool or not. Let me know what you think about it. See you guys on the next one.